Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone speaker not working during calls after updating to iOS 26. So let's get started right now. Solution 1. Clean the earpiece. First turn off your iPhone. Locate the earpiece speaker above the front screen. Use a soft dry brush to gently clean across the grill. Hold your phone at a slight angle so that the dust fall out, not inside. Solution number 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. Simply turn it off to make sure your calls are not routed to another device. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data, it only resets system settings like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Solution number 4. Check for iOS update. Go to Setting app. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Sometime Apple release quick fix for bugs after updates. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. A forced restart clears temporary glitches that might be affecting your speaker or Bluetooth. And that's it. Guys, these were the top 5 solutions for fix the iPhone speaker not working during calls after the iOS 26 update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.